Chia seed pudding. So we're going to start with 6 tablespoons of chia seeds. This will make about 3 chia seed puddings. And you can have these either for breakfast or you could have them for your dessert at night. Either way is good. We're also going to add in some almond milk. So let's go ahead and get in 2 cups of almond milk. Now we need something to make it sweet, so let's go ahead and get in a little bit of honey and a little bit of this organic date syrup. So I'm going to do about 3/4 of a teaspoon of date syrup. The honey's getting really low, so I'm going to go ahead and add in to that. We're going to say that that's about 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Might as well use the rest of it up. No sense in wasting it. We'll let that drip. We also want to get in a pinch of cinnamon. So let's go ahead and we're going to use a spoon, but if you had it available, you could just do a little pinch. Just to give it a little something extra. So again, just a pinch, not too much. And now we want to add in our blueberries. So we're going to end up mixing this all into and pulse it all down in our food processor. So make sure you can see that. So let's go ahead and pour our mixture into the food processor. Make sure that we get all those lovely chia seeds in there. You could have done it directly into the food processor if you wanted to. I used the bowl for effect. Now there's one other thing I'd like to put in here, and that's just a little bit of vanilla. I make a homemade vanilla, so let's just pour a little bit of this in there. That'll just give it a little, since my almond milk was unflavored, that'll just give it a little bit of flavor. Now let's go ahead and get our blueberries in there. Look at these, they're lovely. We're going to pour them in there. And now we're just going to pulse this down. Just to mix it up and chop those blueberries up. What I was going for was this nice pretty blue color, this purpley color. I don't know if you can see it really well, but once that sets up, that's going to be fantastic. I'm just looking through to make sure all my blueberries are pretty much pulsed down. I don't mind that they have a little bit of chunk in them. And now we're going to pour this into 3 separate containers and let this set up in our refrigerator for a day, and then we'll show you what the final product looks like. So here are my chia seed puddings in their little respective jars. Tomorrow, when they're finished, we'll put some pretty little coconut flake, maybe a little bit of zest of lemon, some blueberry on the top. And now that I'm thinking of it, I think I would like some zest in the actual puddings themselves. So let's just add a little lemon zest in there while we're here. Lemon and blueberry always go so nicely together. I see no reason not to add in just a little bit of zest to jazz that up. There we go. Okay, so there we have it. Let's get those covered and into the refrigerator. And tomorrow we will have a wonderful chia seed breakfast. We'll show you what it looks like.